Markets are crashing. Good time to hunt for airdrop. Today we're going over Slingshot exchange over Polygon. I'm gonna use this exchange to do one trade. You can do a couple. I'll use a couple of pennies in fees, and hopefully a couple of months from now you will wake up and have $50,000 in your account, just airdrop. If you like what you see, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Subscribe and let's get to it. Yeah. So today we're going over this one, Slingshot on Polygon. What do you need to do in order to get, I don't know, 10 bucks, 100 bucks, 1,000 bucks, 10,000, 100,000, doesn't matter. It costs you 2 or 3 cents on the dollar in fees. Just do it. Just do it, not a financial advice. All you need to do, make a swap. When unknown, here's the website, here's the Twitter. What's the reason? Speculative, has no token yet. Okay, it doesn't have a token. It's not on Ethereum, so you're not gonna pay a couple of 100 bucks just in fees. You need some money on Polygon network. Let's do a trade or two. So this is the website. Okay, link in the description. Up.slingshot finance trade matic You can do this on Polygon as well as Arbitrum. The fees on Polygon are super less than Arbitrum, even though this is a layer 2 solution for matic. But for this tutorial I'm gonna try Polygon. So how do you use it? Basically you pick your asset. Let's see what I got in here. Not a lot, maybe 1 or 2% ETH. Just gonna do a quick swap. You can have also something like ape mode, which is pretty awesome. It opens all the coins available. It opens Polydodge and other stuff. That's a different story. Ethereum is dropping. Yeah, if Ethereum is dropping and then your money that's the best way, in my humble opinion, the most efficient way to get more money is just hunt for airdrops instead of just buying some random coins. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down with it. Hunt for airdrops. You will be very, very rewarded in the future. Plant the seeds now and get paid next time, basically. So what do we have? I would like to change. Click here. First of all, change this one, Arbitrum 1. You got two options, Arbitrum 1 or Polygon. Let's pick Polygon. Average gas fee 0.027. You're paying like 3 cents in dollars. Cool. 3 cents in Polygon. We are now in Polygon. I want to send, I don't know, I got a couple of matic. Let's see what we got. Change it to Ethereum. That's all. You can play around. What's the max that I have? I want to buy USDC. No, I want to sell matic. Okay, click X. Sell matic. What's the max? So I got 3.5. Let's do free matic. Doesn't really matter. Am I sending this to USDC? I'm gonna send it to ETH. Okay, because I have ETH or rep ETH. Doesn't matter. And you got other coins in here. Oh, this one is very good. PYR. That's the play to earn. This one is the Klima DAO thingy. It's in the green. Wow. I wonder how much is Klima. Let's do a quick look. Klima 45, also green. Huh. Interesting. Stake Klima is 508, up 12%. Wow. Interesting. How much is Polydodge? Polydodge is at 26. It was 90. 90. So it's down like 70% in a month, which is crazy. It went up from 1800, okay, 1800 to 9,000, like 5-6x or something in a couple of days, and from 9,000 back to 2,600. It is what it is. But it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. Rep Medic. Okay, so we're selling Medic to Rep ETH. I'm gonna get doesn't really matter. 185 is Medic. Wow, we're down to 185, and basically it just gonna gives you like a time frame. Click review order, and we're spending free Medic. We're gonna get 0.001451 Rep ETH, and it update the order in real time. Rate USD 185. Pretty simple. Estimate gas You're paying 0.0. Look at this gas fee. Look at this gas fees. If you're not hunting for airdrops on anything else that is not Ethereum, you're losing money. You're losing money. Yes, I understand the frustration because you don't have patience. You're doing something now for an airdrop, and the airdrop is not in your account tomorrow. I can't control that. That's just be patient. It's a good quality in life. But that's basically it. We are planting seeds, as I said. Planting seeds. We're gonna get rewarded. Pay 22 cents to get a couple of $1,000. Sign me up. Place an order. Confirm transaction. It's gonna open the MetaMask, of course. Let's see what's going on here. It's still loading. Interesting. Here we go. So free matic plus 017 matic. Click confirm. Your order is processing. Okay, that is cool. Nice colors. Not a big deal, you know. It doesn't have to be super popular airdrop to make you good amount of money. It doesn't have to. It could be out of nowhere, like a test net or something that, hey, $10,000, 50, whatever the case. And we're gonna do all of this. So if you haven't subscribed, link in the description. Takes a little longer than I expected, so let's pause. Okay, so this is basically done. Spend free matic, received gas fees was 0.05, fill 99.57. okay, timestamp, hashtag finish. And basically this is what you've done. Let's see my portfolio, if I can actually watch it. I don't know what's going on here, but you can click trade, you can click the TTT. Let's see what I got. So if I have I know that I have matic. Okay, basically sell some matic. No, I want to buy matic. How do I buy matic? I'm gonna spend my rep ETH 0.04. Sure, let's buy another 84 matic. Again, do, you know, 2 free transactions just for the sake of volume, basically. Maybe change to USDC, do all that stuff. Let's see what I'm doing now. I'm paying 3 cents of matic. Try to stay over like $100, you know. Order is processing. Order is done. Super quick. That's crazy. 1 ETH fill at the rate of 100.03%. So I got paid even more. That's the beauty of this exchange. It's not really worth anything for, I don't know, small fish, but if you're a whale, you just got yourself another 0.306% just by doing nothing. Instead of getting less, you got more. So I spent 0.04 ETH, I got 84 matic, click finish, and hopefully this will be enough to get us an airdrop in the future, and hopefully crypto will go back to the green. Subscribe if you like all that good stuff, crypto airdrops. I will see you in the next time. Bye bye.